Hi guys, in this video I will tell you some useful vocabulary word in daily life and how to remember that vocabulary. So before that, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please share to your friends. So let's start. Our first word, abate, become less in amount or intensity. Similar words are decrease and lessen. In this picture, you can see something is decreasing. Taking a pain medicine can cause headache to abate. Means if you take a medicine, your pain will decrease. Next word is abdicated. Give up, such as power. Similar words retire and quit. In this picture, you can see a man quit his responsibility while taking before. Next vocabulary word is sustain, means refrain from doing or consuming. Similar words are refrain and cease. In this picture, you can see no smoking. For example, he was abstain from alcohol, means he was refrain from alcohol. Next word is amicable. Amicable means characterized by friendship and goodwill. Similar words friendly and good nature. You can see the picture. In this picture, some boys are talking with each other friendly, means their nature is good. Our next word is benevolent. Benevolent, showing or motivated by sympathy and understanding. Synonyms are kind or kindly, we can say. Example, the benevolent gentleman left a further sum of $500 to be divided among the poor. Means the gentleman which has a kind heart, he gives a $500 divided into the poor persons. Next, arid, lacking sufficient water or rainfall. Synonyms are dry. In this picture, you can see the land is dry due to less rainfall. For example, the reason for the arid climate differ in the different section. Next word is canny, showing self-interest and shrewdness in the dealing with other. Synonyms, similar words क्या है? Sharp, shrewd. Example देखते हैं. I do suggest to him he is being a bit canny about this question. मैंने उसे सजेस्ट किया कि वो इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत शार्प था. He is being a bit canny about this question. वो उस क्वेश्चन में बहुत शार्प था. Capacious, large in the amount that can be contained. Synonyms are roomy, ample, big and large. You can see in this picture the hall is capacious. It means it is a big and large. But for this picture, proper word is roomy. So example, James Bond bought a capacious home. Next is conundrum, a difficult problem. Synonyms, problem and puzzles. In this picture, a person is solving the puzzles. For example, the use of protective clothing for a farmer in Brazil present a conundrum. मतलब वो एक puzzle है. That is puzzle to use protective clothing for farmer in Brazil. Our next word is collaborate. I think this word all of you know. So collaborate means work together on a common enterprise or project. Synonyms are corporate or combine. In this picture, the all the person working together. Example, let's collaborate on our chore so we will finish quicker. So we need to be corporate to our chore. Chore means those who are working in our home or in our company. So let's collaborate on our chore so we will finish our work quickly.